Okay, now we're going to construct a triangle with two sides and one angle. So let's start with line AB. Line AB is 8 centimeters. So I'm going to draw 8 centimeter line, and this is A and B. Right, then AC is 6 centimeters, but I don't know if AC is there. AC can be anywhere. That's why they gave us an angle, and they said A is 50 degrees. So put your vertex on A, measure 50 degrees, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, make a dot, and then you're going to draw AC is 6 centimeters. So now you're going to measure and you're going to pass this dot. AC is 6 centimeters. There's the dot, AC, so C is there, and then you can just join the lines. Right, when I mark it, I will measure this angle and this angle. If you didn't construct it, it will not be correct.